Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn with BS. In today's video we will continue with the question bank solution. HSC का महाराष्ट्र बोर्ड का जो क्वेश्चन बैंक है, I have already given 3 videos on question bank. This is the 4th video and this video contains solution for novel section. जो आपके बुक में novels हैं 4.2 to serve with love and 4.3 around the world in 80 days. उसका solution I have tried to give through this video. So section 1 का जो है video solution जो भी question bank था already I have given. For poems I have already given. If you have not seen, do see that solution for that also. Even non-textual grammar के लिए I have already given solution जो भी ये है. बाकी last now I even 4.1 का जो activity based question, your question bank will have activity based questions from 4.1 तो उसका भी solution मैंने दे दिया है. Now for 4.2, 4.3, 4.4 for these 3 novels you will get 4 marks from each novel section. You will get question answers, not activity based. So in this video I am going to cover up 4.2 and 4.3 ka whatever questions have been given in the question bank. I have tried to give the solution through this, and no more PDF. I have directly tried to give answers in this. So if you want more of the videos regarding this question bank or learning writing skill grammar, you can visit to my YouTube channel Learn with BS, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you have any query, any doubt, any crash course, you can contact me on this email ID. So let us start with the question bank. To serve with love. Now here answer in about 50 words to the questions given below. You have to write at least 5-6 lines. But here since I don't have enough space, I have tried to cover up the points. I hope you will be able to frame these sentences on your own, and because these novels are quite big, so students are finding difficulty in writing the answers, locating the answer, and now exams are coming closer, so they feel कि इतना time नहीं है देखने के लिए. तो I have tried to give, and also I will tell you to see the summary which I have given for these novels. If you listen at least to summary, just give 10 to 15 minutes and listening the summary so that you understand, you are able to give the answers nicely. So if you want the link, I can give it in the description box. Novel को पहले आप summary को सुनो, then you try to give the answer, so it will become easier. And even then I have tried to give the answers. अच्छे से points मैंने लिखी है, but complete 4-5 sentence each में, क्योंकि each question will have 2 marks, so at least 4-5 lines you have to write. Okay, now the first question is half yearly report of the Students' Council highlighted the conduct of breathways class, justify. Now you know कि वो जो हाफ ईयरली रिपोर्ट था क्यों, उनकी स्टूडेंट की परफॉर्मेंस के लिए, एंड ऑल्सो देयर वाज अ क्वेश्चन आंसर सेशन. लाइक इफ स्टूडेंट्स हैड एनी क्वेश्चन दे कैन आस्क दी टीचर्स. सो देयर वाज अ पैनल ऑफ टीचर एंड देयर वर रिप्रेजेंटेटिव फ्रॉम ईच क्लास. तो उस सब के लिए विच विल बी डिस्कसिंग द कॉमन प्रॉब्लम्स और वट एवर इट इज़, तो वो सब काउंसिल बुलाई गई थी. तो बिकॉज ऑफ ब्रेथवेज एफर्ट्स स्टूडेंट्स वर बेस्ट बिहेव्ड, अदरवाइज दे वर नोन फॉर देयर करप्ट बिहेवियर. बट नाउ सिंस ब्रेथवेज जो टीचर हैं उन्होंने बहुत एफर्ट्स डाली थी, तो दे वर ऑन देयर बेस्ट बिहेवियर. तो वो बताता है कि बच्चों की कंडक्ट कैसी थी वो रिपोर्ट में. सो दैट यू हैव टू राइट. इन द क्वेश्चनिंग सेशन डेनम वॉज एक्सप्रेसिंग फ्यू स्टूडेंट्स फीलिंग इलस्ट्रेट. अभी आपको पता होगा कि डेनम जो था स्टूडेंट था, ही वॉज क्लास रिप्रेजेंटेटिव फॉर PTN games. तो वो रिप्रेजेंट करा था अपने क्लास को, एंड ही वॉज ट्राइंग टू इंट्रोड्यूस की दे फेल्ट इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ दिस सब्जेक्ट इन द क्लास अलॉन्ग विद द academic subjects. They were feeling that these things be introduced. तो वो he was representing that on behalf of the class. तो वो सब बता रहा था जो टीचर्स के साथ उसका आर्ग्यूमेंट हो गया. मिस फिलिप्स effectively handled the questioning session. Give supporting details. अभी मिस फिलिप आंसर डेनम्स क्वेश्चन ऑन इम्पोर्टेंस टू बी गिवन टू PTN गेम्स. वो उसको 3 टीचर्स थे, तो उनमें जो थे 2 टीचर्स सहमत नहीं थे, दे वर नॉट एग्रीइंग विथ हिम. तो इवन ये जो थी मिस फिलिप्स, शी डिड नॉट अग्री कि उनको इम्पोर्टेंस देना चाहिए, वो ज़रूरी नहीं है. तो शी हैंडल द क्वेश्चनिंग सेशन. Okay. Write a short note on the event which took place on 15th November in Greensill School. This was the day on which everybody had assembled for half yearly reports. All the teachers were present, students were present, and half yearly reports में जो students थे representative थे, they were representing their class, सब्जेक्ट वाइज क्लास वाइज. तो वो सब डेट का इम्पॉर्टेंस है बिकॉज ये डेट पे ही सब गैदरिंग हुई थी एंड टू डिस्कस ऑल दीज थिंग्स. द एक्सट्रैक्ट प्रेजेंस द नरेटर इज अ साइलेंट ऑब्जर्वर ऑफ द इवेंट. नाउ इफ़ यू हैव रेड द नॉवल इट सेज लाइक नरेटर, ये जो है ब्रेडथविथ टीचर जो थे जो डार्क थे, even he had entered the school he found that students were misbehaved. Okay, but धीरे धीरे with his patience and the way he dealt with the students, they were on their best behavior. So when half yearly report का time आया तो all those students were on their best behavior. They understood their responsibility, they were discussing, they were participating in the discussion. तो he was silently observing and अंदर ही अंदर बहुत खुश हो रहा था कि how nicely they have been present in their correct behavior and now they are on their best ways, best behavior. So he was silently observing and becoming happy to see his students transformation in his students. He was silent observer. Analyzing the change in the students behavior in the presentation is central theme. Now basically what is this story about कि how teachers ill treated Bedford initially. क्यों? Because he was a dark skin, but slowly with his patience, like he was initially harsh. Bedford was very harsh. He tried to slap the students also. He was little harsh and he tried to give them punishment also. But then slowly he found that students are going opposite direction. If he is harsh with them, they are not behaving themselves. So he thought of transforming the students with their polite behavior, respectful behavior. So he tried to give them love. He started taking them out and slowly he observed that there was a change in the students life. So this is what story का जो central idea है, theme है, so it is given. So he was successful in this. So this is the theme of the story. Denham and Miss Joseph played a key role in the presentation of the half-yearly reports of Students' Councils Illustrate. अभी ये जो दोनों थे representative थे for particular subject. Denham was for PTE and games and Joseph was for ये इसके domestic science के लिए. तो these both students were from Braithwaite's class. उनकी जो senior classes के student थे and they were representing their class for these two subjects. Okay, so they played a key role in half-yearly report. Senior students presented their class reports more confidently than the junior students. Give reason. अभी as you know all of them were corrupt students. ये स्कूल में थे ही ऐसे, but age wise also it matters कि junior है तो उनका confidence less रहेगा. But here they have shown कि senior student even though they were correct but they slowly they understood their responsibility even though they were troublesome, but Braithwaite's effort could transform them. So now they understood their responsibility and they were on their best behavior and they were confident enough to present themselves, to tell their problems, to tell their requirements. So they were more confident. So basically importance is given to that Braithwaite teacher की उनकी वजह से ही they were more confident. Furman was innovative and dramatic in his presentation. Discuss in brief. Now again he was a student. वो क्या था, ही टॉक्स ऑन द सब्जेक्ट फिजियोलॉजी. तो उसको जो उसने प्रेजेंट किया वेरी नाइस वे में, इनोवेटिव एंड ड्रामेटिक. क्यों? क्योंकि एक सिंपली ही ब्रॉट दी स्केलेटन ऑन द स्टेज एंड ही वाज ट्राइंग टू टेल दी ह्यूमन स्ट्रक्चर कि कैसा होता है, क्या होता है. तो ऑन दैट ही शोड कि स्केलेटन जो है, स्केलेटन में से पता चल जाता है कि वेदर इट इज़ अ मेल स्केलेटन और अ फीमेल स्केलेटन. So like nicely he was presenting, but he was saying like it is not possible to identify कि whether it is Indian, he is foreigner. तो your religion cannot be known, your country cannot be known, it only shows male and female. तो like nicely he was explaining all these things. So they have said he was innovative and dramatic. Last question, the stage has a great impact on the presentation of the students. Justify the statement. अभी आपको पता होगा स्टेज पे ऐसा जैसा आदमी जाएगा तो he loses his confidence. आसान नहीं होता स्टेज पे जाके प्रेजेंट करना. तो ये जो स्टूडेंट थे दे प्रेजेंटेड देमसेल्फ नाइसली. किसके स्टूडेंट्स? ब्रेथवेट के स्टूडेंट थे. वर इल मैनर्ड, बैड मैनर्ड, करप्ट बिहेवियर पे थे, बट दे कुड प्रेजेंट देमसेल्फ वेरी नाइसली ऑन द स्टेज एंड दे सीम टू बी क्वाइट रिस्पॉन्सिबल स्टूडेंट्स. सो स्टेज जो परफॉर्मेंस है उसका पता चलता है कि स्टेज पे इतना अच्छे से बता पा रहे हैं, लाइक कि उनको प्रूव कर दिया कि दे आर ट्रांसफॉर्म, दे आर ऑन देयर गुड बिहेवियर. So these were the 10 questions from 4.2 to Sir with Love. I hope it is clear. Now let me explain. 4.3 जो है around the world in 80 days. 4.3 में से again you have got some questions. Students, once again I am telling you, first you listen to the summary of this novel. I will give you the link in my description box. Listen to the summary of this novel before directly jumping to the question answers, because unless and until you understand the story you will not be able to give answers. I have given you answers, but even then at least you have to understand. If you don't have time to read the novel, at least listen to the summary and then you try to give the answers, and I have given the answers, you will understand better. Okay, now first question is, explain how the author has made use of international date line time zone in his novel. Now if you see, जो bet लगा था तो उसके ऊपर ही Phileas Fogg had started his journey. तो जो bet लगा था, it was in London, so he had to travel around the world and come back to London. So whatever time date was there, according to that time only he had to come back. So international time zone है, not Indian standard time वहाँ पे नहीं, कहाँ पे भी बताया है, because they had to follow that 80 days के time में. Money was never a concern for Phileas Fogg. It was for honor he accepted the wager. Wager यानी bet. तो actually Phileas Fogg जो था, he was very adventurous. He always loved to accept challenges. So this challenge he accepted just because, you know, he wanted to prove himself. But actually it was not for the money, because he spent around $20,000 when he went around the world tour. He went around the world tour, he spent around 20,000, और जो इसको मिलने वाला था बेट में से, तो ऑलमोस्ट वॉट एवर ही अर्नड was about to earn, he spent on the journey. So he had his money, so it was not for the money he was taking the bet, but it was just because of his honor. Phileas Fogg's next question is, Phileas Fogg's travel around the world was full of adventure and surprise. Illustrate. Now if you see, when he was going around the world tour, he met Auda, that lady whom he got married afterwards. It was a surprise. He never expected that he will meet Auda. Then he was caught by the detective Fix. That was also a surprise for him. So he got many surprises like this. And then traveling around the world, he took many sledges, yacht, steamer. Then last me he had to take special train also, steamer also. So all these were, his journey was full of adventures and surprises. Explain how the time gained of a full day is revealed to Mr. Fogg. Now when he calculated 80 days time, so why he became wrong? Why? Because he was traveling towards eastwards. So when he was traveling towards eastwards, he gained 24 hours in 80 days. Because if you know, अर्थ का 365 जो लेता है लॉन्गिट्यूड, एक अगर लॉन्गिट्यूड ट्रैवल करेंगे तो 5 मिनट्स यू गेन, तो 360 इंटू 5 यानी 24 आवर्स उसको मिल गया 80 डेज में. तो 1 फुल मंथ ही गॉट. तो इसने जो कैलकुलेशन किया था तो उससे एक ये हो गया कि उसको लगा जब ही, when he reached, he thought it is Sunday, but actually it was Saturday. So he gained, later on he realized that he has gained 24 hours, 1 full day he has gained. Passepartout stations himself outside the Phileas door. Give reason. Now Passepartout was his best companion, his best servant. So Phileas Fogg was demoralized when he thought that he has lost the bet. So he had locked himself into the room. But Passepartout felt कि, like, you know, he loves his self-respect, and if he loses the bet, he may lose his self-respect and it may lead to anything. He may commit suicide, you know, he may go into depression, anything can happen to him. So since Passepartout was well-wisher, so he sat outside him. He was keeping an eye on Phileas Fogg that he should not do anything wrong. So he stations himself, यानी he sits outside the Phileas Fogg's door. Passepartout blamed himself for the misfortune of his master. उसको लग रहा था पासपार्टू को मेरी वजह से उसके मास्टर की किस्मत ख़राब हुई. तो वाई एक्चुअली आपको पता है कि इसको फिलियस फॉग को डिटेक्टिव फिक्स ने पकड़ा था. तो डिटेक्टिव फिक्स वॉज कंटिन्यूसली इन टच विथ पासपार्टू. ही वॉज ट्राइंग कंटिन्यूसली इन टच विथ हिम ओवर दी फोन, ओवर दी लेटर्स एक्सेट्रा, बिकॉज ही वॉन्टेड अपडेशन ऑफ फिलियस फॉग. ही डजंट गो एनीवेयर, ही डजंट run away, like, you know, he always kept a tab on him because he wanted to catch him. And Passepartout never realized. He kept informing him about the Phileas Fogg, and finally Detective Fix was successful in catching Phileas Fogg. So Passepartout somehow blamed it is because of me, because I kept him updated about Phileas Fogg, he could catch him. So he was feeling guilty. Okay, compare the remorse in the minds of Mr. Fogg and Aouda for seeming failure of his wager. Now Aouda, or the remorse यानी पछतावा, regret, both were regretting, Aouda and Fogg. Why? Aouda blamed herself that because Mr. Fogg had to give time to her in getting her released from the Klink's clutches, तो उसका time waste हो गया, he was delayed. So Aouda somehow was feeling guilty, or she was blaming herself that because of her his tour was delayed and he could not reach in time. And Mr. Fogg was feeling bad that he had promised Aouda that he will be getting 20,000 pounds, but since he was late, he will not get the money, and Aouda may take it in the other way. So both were feeling guilty, regretful, okay, somehow. Explain the stress on the mind of Fogg after रिटर्निंग फ्रॉम वर्ल्ड टूर एट सेविल रोड. सेविल रोड पे इसका घर था फिलियस फॉग का, तो क्या उसको स्ट्रेस था कि अभी नाउ फिलियस फॉग का सेल्फ एस्टीम वॉज एट स्टेक, खतरे में थी. ही वॉज नॉट एबल टू फेस आउडा. उसको लग रहा था कि लाइक इफ़ ही लूजेज वेजर, हाउ विल ही फेस हर, हाउ वॉट ही विल टेल, शी विल फील दैट ही हैज़ गिवन हर फेक प्रोमिसेस एंड ब्रॉट हर. तो वो सब, एंड प्लस इज सेल्फ रेस्पेक्ट विल बी एट स्टेक बिकॉज ही विल लूज द बेड. सो ये सब बातें उसके मन में चल रही थी, तो ही वॉज स्ट्रेस्ड व्हेन ही केम बैक होम. नरेट द हैपनिंग्स एट रिफॉर्म क्लब ऑन 80th डे ऑफ द वेजर. नाउ 80th डे पे क्या हुआ था रिफॉर्म क्लब में, वेयर ही वॉज टू कम बैक एंड फॉर द बेड के वेजर के कंप्लीट होने तक. तो क्या था, ऑल हिज ओपोनेंट्स, हिज फ्रेंड्स, and many even newspaper people, common people, they were all waiting because they knew he keeps his commitment. He was well known, Mr. Phileas Fogg was well known for his commitment. He was very punctual, and whatever he had told, he always had done it. He loved challenges. So this time also there were many people who were feeling कि नहीं, he will meet his commitment, he will win the bet and he will reach in time. But whereas some people felt no, he cannot now, this time he is going to lose his self-respect, esteem. So all these things, even newspaper people around, they were all impatient to know what will happen. So these are the happenings at the Reform Club on the wager day. Okay, 10th question. There was no general agreement about Mr. Fogg's success in the opponents. Discuss. अभी no general agreement. General agreement क्यों नहीं थी? Because some felt that he will not be able to reach. क्यों? क्योंकि लास्ट ट्रेन जो लिवरपूल से लंदन में आई थी वो आ चुकी थी, तो अब तक वो नहीं आया. ये स्टिल नॉट कम, सो दैट मीन्स ही विल नॉट बी एबल टू रीच. एंड चाइना से भी जो स्टीमर आने वाली थी वो भी अब तक पहुंच जानी चाहिए थी. उन्होंने दे मेड अ कॉल, तो लाइक हिज वेयर अबाउट्स वर नॉट नोन. उन्होंने न्यूयॉर्क में भी कॉन्टैक्ट करके देखा, ही वॉज नॉट देयर. वहाँ से नहीं निकला कि लाइक ही हैज़ फेल्ट दैट ही विल नॉट बी एबल टू succeed in his challenge, bet नहीं जीत पाएगा. So like he has died. There was some people were saying he has died, or some people were saying he has given up, he has gone, he has lost somewhere. So every people had different opinions. Some said no, he can appear at the last minute also. So there was no general agreement. सबका अलग अलग decision था. Narrate the happenings at the prison where Fogg was kept under arrest. जब इसको जेल में रखा था तो क्या था, he was very angry. Mr. Fogg was very angry because he felt like if I am kept in the prison, I will be delayed for reaching the back to London, because he had to complete his weight. So he tried to break open the window of the prison. He tried to escape. He was thinking continuously. He was pacing to and fro. And जब ही उसको जेल में से निकाला भी, तो he tried to give a punch to Detective Fix because he was very angry. So his condition was very bad when he was in prison. All is well that ends well, justify in the light of extract from the novel Around the World in 80 Days. कि अभी all is well that ends well, अगर लास्ट में अंत भला तो सब भला, जैसे हम हिंदी में बोलते हैं, तो सब एंड में अच्छा हो गया तो अच्छा ही हो गया. लाइक दिस इज द लाइट ऑफ द एक्सट्रैक्ट ऑफ द नॉवल, राइट. सो मिस्टर फॉग थॉट दैट इन स्पाइट ऑफ सेवरल प्रॉब्लम्स, सेवरल हर्डल्स, he succeeded in winning the wager, and also he could meet Auda, he could win her heart, he could marry her. So like all whatever, instead of problems and troubles and all, finally he was happy that he won the wager, he got the self-respect, he got that lady. So everything was okay, there was a happy end. So it is said, all is well that ends well. Winning the heart is preferred to winning of the wager. Express the supporting the details. Now Phileas Fogg was happy that even if he couldn't, पहले तो उसको लग रहा था कि वो लेट हो गया तो wager नहीं जीत पाएगा, but somehow he felt like he got a successful partner, and in spite of losing the wager, she is ready to marry her. So he felt that winning the heart is preferred to winning the wager. चलो ठीक है, wager नहीं मिला, कम से कम लड़की तो मिल गई. So I hope these question answers are clear to you. Thank you for watching this video.